Hello everyone, I am Shindev IP, Department of Botany. In the last lectures, we have started with chapter 3rd, then we have seen plant propagation, importance of plant propagation, then we have seen seed viability, the different methods of seed viability. The first one was tetrazolium test, then second one was germination test, third one was cut test, fourth one X-ray analysis. Then we have started with vegetative propagation. We have seen the different types of vegetative propagation, that is cutting, then second one was layering, then third one was grafting, and today we will start with budding. So what is budding? Budding, vegetative propagation in which bud is inserted onto the rootstock plant, is called budding, also known as bud grafting. Bud is incorporated into the rootstock and allowed to grow further, while the buds of rootstock are removed. Therefore, inserted bud alone to produce the shoot systems. Bud is used as scion and it should superior desired trait. Parent plant provide a root system for survival of scion rootstock plant. Stalk and scion. So stalk is the rooted plant and the scion is the part of the plant that we are going to insert in a rooted plant, that is stalk. So there are different methods of budding. Those are tea budding, patch budding, chip budding, flap budding, ring budding, flute budding. Generally we see the tea budding. Tea budding, vegetative propagation in which bud is inserted into T-shaped incision made in the rootstock. Scion appear as shield, so that this method is known as shield budding. The plants in which tea budding is done are oranges, rose, plums, peaches, etc. Patch budding, method of bud grafting in which a patch of bark with a bud is inserted into a similar detached rootstock. The plants in which patch budding is done are citrus, mango, rubber, annona, walnut, etc. Chip budding. This is the method of grafting in which bud along with a piece of wood is inserted in the rootstock. Generally, the chip budding is done in grapes. Fourth one is flap budding. Bud grafting in which a bud is inserted into the flap of the bark, lifted from rootstock. Also called forkert budding, since the bark of the rootstock is gently lifted for inserting the scion bud. Ring budding, bud grafting in which the bud along with the ring of the bark from bud wood is inserted into the rootstock. Generally, this ring budding is done in cinchona. This was all about tea budding. Thank you.